Yes, I have a cat.
Aw, dude. Look at dude. Automatic smart cat litter boxes like this one can make cat owners nervous, and rightfully so. When you hear words like robotic, automatic, and self-cleaning mixed with something that your pets are using every single day, safety immediately becomes a concern. As someone with 6, technically 7 cats who has tested and used so many of these smart litter box systems over the years, I wanted to make this video to talk about my real-world experience using these types of litter boxes, the safety features that I personally look for, and the precautions that I take with them in my home. Before we jump into the tech side of things, I did want to mention that cat owners should care about safety. Recently, we've seen a lot of videos claiming that automatic litter boxes are dangerous and they may even injure cats. As someone who has so many cats and has been using automatic litter boxes for such a long time, I've looked into the possible reasons behind these incidents, and I did find that they mainly come down to 3 things. First, the design flaws. During operation, the litter box becomes completely enclosed, and that's probably the biggest reason. Second, over time, the litter box sensors can become less responsive. And third, cats may enter the litter box to play or use it during a cleaning cycle, which could potentially result in their paws or tails getting caught. Asking questions and being curious is of course the right thing to do, because the reality is not all automatic litter boxes are designed the same. Safety comes down to engineering, the sensor systems, the physical structure, and how the litter box behaves in real-world use. At this point, I've spent years using smart litter boxes with multiple cats of different personalities, sizes, and ages. Some of my cats are fearless, some are cautious, some are curious, and some just want to inspect every little thing. That's why I like testing these things with multiple cats. If there's a flaw, a weird behavior, or a concern, chances are one of them is going to expose it pretty quickly. Over time, I've learned that the best automatic litter boxes aren't just about convenience. They're about whether there are potential safety risks and whether you can truly trust an automatic litter box to handle cleaning up after your cat. That brings us to the PETKIT Purobot Max Pro 2, which you may recall I reviewed a few months back, and this is the most recent and most safety-focused litter box that I've ever had in my home. Even though PETKIT is sponsoring this video, all opinions and ideas expressed here are my own. One thing that PETKIT does get right with its litter boxes is communicating its safety features, notably the design of the gear structure, which always has an opening during operation. This is what the Purobot Max Pro 2 looks like when it reaches the end of its cleaning cycle. As you can see, there is still a fairly large opening left. That means that a cat can never get trapped or stuck inside the unit while it's cleaning. That alone immediately gives me more confidence, because you can also physically see what they're talking about when you remove the drum. On top of that, the Purobot Max Pro 2 uses 12 different sensors that work together to monitor movement, weight, and presence. Of course, almost all automatic litter boxes today are equipped with sensors. If a cat approaches, jumps in, sticks their head inside, or even walks near the opening during a cleaning cycle, the system immediately pauses. However, relying solely on those sensors shouldn't provide you with complete peace of mind, as they gradually become less sensitive over time. This is why the physical structure design mentioned earlier is especially important. This is one of those things that separates a good smart litter box from a bad one. In addition to sensitive sensors, having that reliable physical design is also necessary to eliminate potential safety risks at the most basic level. For example, with the Purobot Max Pro 2, there are no pinch points inside the drum, so your cat cannot get hurt or injured inside. You shouldn't have to feel nervous leaving the house and wondering if the unit is going to behave properly. I've reached the point with the Purobot Max Pro 2 where I don't even worry about this thing until it's time to empty the waste bin, which I do about once a week, and also remove or top off the litter, which I also do about once a week. So that's one of the biggest compliments that I can give a smart home product. It's convenient and I don't really have to think about it. Beyond safety, there are real benefits to having an automatic litter box in your home, and you're probably watching this video right now because you're thinking about getting one, or you have one and you're thinking about a new one, whatever it may be. But there are many benefits to having one, especially in multi-cat households. The first benefit, of course, is cleanliness. The litter stays consistently clean because waste is removed after every single use. My cats always have a fresh litter box available without the need for me ever having to scoop it. The second reason is odor control. In a 6-cat home, this matters a a lot. Between automatic cleaning, the sealed waste bins, and deodorizing systems, modern smart litter boxes do a dramatically better job controlling smells compared to traditional litter boxes. And of course, there's the convenience that they offer. There's no need to consistently scoop, there's no more forgetting to clean the litter box at the end of a long day. All that I do is wait until trash day, which then I remove the waste straw bag, replace it, and we're good to go. That's the quality of life improvement that makes a huge difference over time. At the end of the day, an automatic litter box is a fantastic addition and a complete game changer for any cat household when it's designed responsibly and used correctly. For me, the PETKIT Purobot Max Pro 2 has been one of the best examples of that balance between convenience, safety, cleanliness, and health tracking. As someone trusting this tech with 6 cats every single day, it makes life much more enjoyable and gives you so much more free time. If you'd like to get a smart cat litter box or upgrade the current one that you have, I'll place all the links that you need down in the description box down below so you can learn all about the Purobot Max Pro 2, all that it has to offer, and everything that PETKIT is doing to make your life even easier. Well, that's about all that I got for today, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Now, I want to know, how many cats do you have? Are you thinking about getting a smart cat litter box? Do you have one? Let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow along for plenty more coming your way soon. Until the next one, I will catch you guys later. Peace!